Guys, most men know that they should be doing Kegel exercises, but here's the problem. Chances are you're either forgetting to do them, you're doing them wrong, or you're doing far too many repetitions. And that is exactly why you're still struggling with bladder dribble, weak erections, or that frustrating feeling of never fully emptying your bladder. In fact, there are 4 big problems I see over and over again when it comes to men trying Kegels on their own. All right, problem number 1. You know you should be doing them, but life finds a way of getting in the way. You forget, you skip a few days, and before you know it, weeks have gone by. Problem number 2, most men don't even know if they're engaging the right muscles. Without guidance, you're just guessing, and guessing does not get you results. Problem number 3, a lot of men overdo it. They hammer out hundreds of contractions thinking that more is better. But an over-tight pelvic floor can actually make your urine and erection problems far worse. Plus, if you squeeze too hard and do too many repetitions, you are gonna end up walking around feeling like you just kicked yourself in the testicles for a good 7 days. No one wants that. And then there's problem number 4. Men skip stretching. Strengthening without stretching is like curling a dumbbell every single day and never opening your arms. Your muscles get really tight, they get locked up, and overall just dysfunctional. And gentlemen, that is why I created the 21-day Kegels for Men challenge. Let me show you exactly how this challenge works. First, I take out all the guesswork for you. Every single day for 21 days straight, you will follow me on screen for just 7 minutes a day. You hit play, I guide you step by step, and you know you're doing it correctly from start to finish. But here's where it's different from anything else online. We don't just hammer out Kegel contractions. Every single day begins with stretching to release tension, and then we move into targeted Kegel training. That balance is what makes your pelvic floor strong and flexible. And it's not random. The program is progressive. We start with simple contractions, and by day 21, you will confidently be holding endurance contractions in different positions. It's the same principle as building strength in the gym, only this time, it's your pelvic floor. Now I know motivation fades fast. That's why I built accountability right into the challenge. A brand new video arrives automatically every single day to your inbox. No excuses, no forgetting. You just show up and you follow along. And if you're the type of guy who wants to understand what's really happening below the surface, I've got you covered. Inside the student portal, you can ask me direct questions and watch the anatomy videos that I have uploaded, which show you exactly how those muscles contract so that you know what to feel and where to feel it. And finally, this isn't just about 21 days and then you're off on your own. When you finish the challenge, you will get a maintenance program and bonus stretches so you know exactly how to keep your progress for life. And the best part, you can repeat this challenge as many times as you'd like. You will have lifetime access. So if you're ready to stop guessing, stop overdoing it, and finally master your pelvic floor, I want you to join me in the 21-day Kegels for Men challenge. Just 7 minutes a day, stretch, strengthen, progress, results. So go on, scan that QR code directly here on screen, or you can click the link below in the pinned comment and in the description, and I'll see you on day 1, guys.